enjoying yourselves? Okay. Aha. Sarsi. And, dito sila. Hello. They're all enjoying.
Say hello to Lola.
Hello. Hello there. Are you okay? Oh, there. Itong dalawang to talagang hirap na hirap sila. Kanina pa, kagabi pa. Ano?
Si AJ, talang busy ng alas 6 ng umaga, alas 3 ng umaga.
Tapos?
Nakataba sa katanggulo. So,
Sumakit?
play 2.
Ano nangyari?
Ulo niya eh.
Pero okay na ngayon.
Okay naman siya.
Kaya pala. Hi, Serena. How are you? Enjoy pala si Serena sa kagabi.
Wow, oo nga naman.
Where did you go, ate?
Sa wedding. Wedding siya, wedding.
Man.
Sa kasal siya.
My friends went.
Tama nga naman. Oh. Husband and wife team. Ito.
Yung di ba tapos ito?
Ang galing.
Tulen.
Kumusta na? How are you, AJ? Okay na? Hindi ka naman wala ka ng sakit? Kita mo. Ang galing. Yan yung hinahanda nila. Kasi birthday ito niya na eh.
Asan ang panghiwa mo yung kami?
Okay. Ang galing ah. Enjoy na enjoy. Serious. Manalo ang Gilong, ano? Okay.
That was a game.
Alam mo, muntik na ako. 3 points na lang. Sigurado na ako.
Maybe half of the people want,
$30 din yon pag nagkataon.
a great team.
It would have been alright to see. I rather witness the best team.
Yes.
Yeah, in history, you
The
know.
greatest team. Because even if they... I watched Geelong play two consecutive grand finals in the 90s and lose.
Yeah, the West Coast.
Yeah.
Very good.
You watch Brisbane 4 in a row.
Ah!
Yeah. 14 in a row, my God.
Ang galing nila, no?
3 in a row.
Finally, they got it. But I just lost by
thought they
3
were going to
points.
fold up again.
I want to know.
I was worried about Geelong in a close game.
Hello.
Yeah, that's right. Because Geelong,
Hello.
Geelong always wins
What
big.
are you looking at? Sarah,
It's,
So
it's
tired of
hungry.
staring.
you're staring at what?
Nothing.
Space. Staring into space.
You asked, did you take the potato gel?
No.
Oh, yes.
How young are you?
Asking them to taste it too.
Joby boy,
Yes.
how young are you?
Hey! I'm 50, stopping there.
Potato
Ang
sprinkle.
galing mo ah, 50 ah. 52 ka eh, 53.
No, the other one. The St. Vincent. Were you there when you got
Diba?
the potato cake?
Di ba ako magnakaw?
You do.
Okay.
Taste the potato gel. Taste it, taste it.
Kasi nakakagutom na eh, pinahintay nyo kami na matagal eh.
You want some more? Yan mo na kainin natin. Gusto niya.
Diba?
How are you? Gusto niya niyo ako.
Masaya. Sige, kakain tayo. Yan, ang galing.
Ka lang. Gusto niya pa ako magluto na.
Bagong recipe ba to?
Kaya yung sprinkle
Ito usawan to eh.
Ito ba yung sprinkle natin? Ah, perfect.
Magano din natin, ha?
Nadali.
Mahal, mahal na mahal. Grabe.
Di ba, le?
Sabi ko eh, mahal na. I don't care.
Have you been to Costco?
Yeah.
It's cool, isn't it?
Did you?
I went by myself.
How did you get in?
With my friend.
Oh.
Do you want to buy half of the
Share na.
It's funny, my workmate took me. And then I was going to pay. But they won't let me pay. So he has to pay.
Yes.
I spent like $260 and he put it on his credit card. So I gave money back.
Yeah, because we cannot say on the apple, we cannot have your name
Wala.
there on it.
Gaganda ng mga kutsara.
Ito ba nahulog?
Wait, hurry.
Ay, hindi.
Ito cellphone to.
Cellphone. Camera yun.
Good camera.
I see.
Ang ginagamit ko noon,
Oo, yung pinagkukuha.
pinangkuha ko sa...
May mga i-develop doon sa loob. May laman. May laman.
Oh, okay naman, nakuha ko na ako.
Talaga?
Oh, yeah.
Diba?
Because he
Ang
broke
galing nila magluto, ah, oh.
Ang galing magluto.
Do you want me to cook? Mauubos ka pa yung Yes, I know it's good. Because I make it. Did I ever make anything bad? Oh, no. See? You said you have to say no. Otherwise,
Ang dami mo. Oh, smile ka lang, Joby Boy, dyan. Ah, yan na.
ayusin natin yung tato.
Malapit na. Ito yung mga handa para sa birthday ni Joby Boy.
May tong, may...
Ayan, oh, sarap, oh. Sarap pa yan.
God, I sound like you. Oo naman?
Sino may pasyente?
Yung kinuha ko ngayon,
Ano, ready na? Ready na kayo?
Blessing now?
Ah,
Yes.
okay, mag-bless na tayo.
Alright, mommy.
Tawagin mo na sila lahat.
Mommy.
Ah, punta na kayo rito.
Okay. Okay, let's bless.
okay.
Okay.
Dito na daw tayo.
Ito na, magble-blessing na tayo.
Sino mo to? Ano siya? Ang tawag dito? Kung
Sino?
yung sino na yan, sa
Anong title?
Finding Nemo,
Ah, maganda yan.
sa mga top grossing film.
Nilang set.
Yan na.
Yan na.
Tama-tama.